Good evening. I hope you guys are warm. Mina ngiwarm gqokeni igawuni yabantu kusiyami. Gqoka igawuni kasisi wami. I hope angaboni le video because uzomunca igawuni yakhe. Nje ningithengele nje igawuni. Ningishaye ngiyadlala. Guys, have you noticed ukuthi uma unesilonda and you go to the doctor, doctor will consult with you ku consulting room yakhe. Kodwa when it's time for him to wash the wound or to dress the wound, he's not going to do it ku consulting room yakhe. Doctor kuzokuthatha akunikise to another room. I think that room, let's call it a dressing room, where he's going to dress your wound, or a wound care room, where he's going to take care of your wound and dress it. The reason why he does that, that room is sanitized, that room is clean, that room is not exposed to bacteria than his consulting room. Angithi ku consulting room yakhe kuyangenwa kuyaphunywa, you don't know who's touching what. But in that wound care room or in that dressing room, it's always clean and it's always sanitized, so it's meant for that. Because then he doesn't want your wound to be exposed to germs. And when he's dressing your wound, sometimes a doctor will say, you can also dress your wound ekhaya, but just make sure that the way you're dressing your wound, it's clean, it's sanitized, and you wash your hands first, which is the important things that Dr. Azok advise ngayo. And sometimes sometimes mawuhlele ekhaya, just make sure that you open the wound and expose it to umoya. Ukuthi sishaye umoya kancane sizokhona ukuthi sizosheshe siphole. Where am I going with this? I'm trying to say isilonda sakho, or what you're going through, or into ekulimazayo, zama ukuthi ungayivuleli noma kuphi nanoma kubani. Into leyo uyaziyo ukuthi le yangilimaza ungayivumileli noma kuphi noma kubani, because akusiwo wonke umuntu ekufanele abone isilonda sakho. That's why no doctor ngathi asiye reception sosiwasha khona, because there it's going to be exposed. So once it's exposed, the chances of it healing quick or on time are slim. Because khona abantu ozothi wena la sowuvule khona isilonda sakho, wavula ukulimala kwakho, bese babona i-opportunity yokuthi bakuhold a hostage. Khona abantu ozothi wena noma sowujabulile isilonda sakho sesipholile, but because it was some time exposed to them, umuntu akwazi ukuthi hey yazi umuhle kanjani, hayi ngekusho, hayi angekusho, yazi angekusho ukuthi uwe lo wakho azathi bavala amehlo kancane futhi yabazi mase bavala amehlo, angekusho ukuthi uwe wena lo bogowa kanje, because you exposed the wound. Isilonda sesipholile, half the time you don't want to revisit isilonda leso, but umuntu akwazi ukuthi because wena uyithathele isilonda was expose kuyi, athi hayi uNkulunkulu namandla, yazi phela wena wawugubhekile la esandleni, bheka manje sowupholile muhle kanjani, hayi ayenza ngathi uyahawukela kanti uyak-expose. And most of those people, it's people that don't even know how to read the room. And sometimes they can read the room. It's just that when they want to expose you, bazenza dom. omunye thokuthi nihleli nibaningi lapho athi yo hayi phela wena uke wago yes hayi phela wena you went through a lot, exposing your pain, exposing your wound, and we call them sadists abanye bakhona ukuthi mabakubona ujabulile but lona ngizomkhumbuza ngalesilonda sakhe angajabuli kakhulu. And uzobona ukuthi half the time of most of the time bakwenza lokho mawujabulile, exposing your wound. Yes, why? Because when awashela isilonda sakhe endaweni wrong la singawashelwa khona. There's a place where you wash your wound. Yes, uDr. Yasho ukuthi yes, even when you get home akathe texini, when you get home open the wound so that sithola umoya. Kusho ukuthi ngamanye amagama yes, it has to be opened somewhere but not noma kuphi. Ngeke uye tuck shop uyovula isilonda, ngeke uye garage uyovula isilonda. There must be a place where uzovula isilonda sakho. Yes, we learn by mistakes, we learn nokuthi umuntu umbone ukuthi oh lo muntu njani, uzofunda lapho. But funda uthi umbonile umuntu ungarepeat futhi, ungayi kuloyo muntu loyo uyovula isifuba sakho umtshele ngezinto zakho bese masaka expose sekafaka ama bacteria esilondeni, or sometimes londa sesipholile when you moving on with your life athi hey awuke wakubheka wena, awuke wakubheka yo hayi siyabonga yasi yabazi futhi laba abanciphisa amehlo siyabonga yasi kanti no uvula lesilonda futhi ukuthi you cannot be this happy, you cannot be this beautiful, you cannot be this nonchalant about what you went through. You must go through it again. So there are places where you don't open your wound. Nilale kahle.